Hey, sixth graders. Getting close to a test here, finishing up Unit 4. So we have lesson 20 or lesson 30, one-step problems in the real world, and lesson 31, problems in mathematical terms. So first we're looking at angles. So you have acute, which is less than 90 degrees, obtuse, more than 90 degrees, right, which is exactly 90, straight, which is exactly 180, and reflex, which is more than 180. So you have those 5 different types of angles. So ABC measures 90 degrees. The angle has been separated into 2 angles. If one angle measures 57, what is the measure of the other angle? So we do x plus 57 equals 90. Solve for x. 33 degrees. So the other angle measures 33 degrees. Try another one here, a different one. Marcus reads for 30 minutes each night. He wants to determine the total number of minutes he will read over the course of a month. He wrote the equation T equals 30D to represent the total amount of time that he has spent reading, where T represents the total number of minutes read and D represents the number of days that he read during the month. Determine which variable is independent and which is dependent. Then create a table to show how many minutes he has read in the first 7 days. So independent is going to be the number of days, because the total number of minutes he reads is dependent on how many days he reads. So total minutes read is dependent on the days. For 7 days, 30, 60, 90. So after 7 days, he'll have read 210 minutes. Okay, which variable will be independent, which will be dependent? Kira designs websites. She can create 3 different websites each week. Kira wants to create an equation that will give her the total number of websites she can design given the number of weeks she works. Write an equation to represent the number of websites she can design when given any number of weeks. So independent is going to be weeks. Dependent, number of websites designed, because that's dependent on how many weeks she works. Write the equation. D equals 3W, where W is the number of weeks, D is the number of websites designed. Right? With the modal questions for lessons 30 and 31. Let me know if you have any questions. The majority of them will be determining whether it's independent or which variable. Let me try that again. Which is independent, which is dependent. And when I write your answers, multiple choice, I will just have I equals, or I dash, and D equals. So I for independent, D for dependent. So most of the problems will also be worth 2 points each. Okay, let me know if you have any questions, and have a great day.